The global on-demand delivery business is expanding rapidly. People are thrilled by the simple idea of having delivered at doorstep with just a click. And today, users seek convenience. That is the core value proportion of the Postmates business model. Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm discussing Postmates business model. Well, coming down to facts first, in 2021, the company made about $730 million revenue, and the figure indicated a 14% year-on-year increase. With the massive active user base of 9.3 million, above 5 million orders are made through Postmates app every month. Now that you know the numbers, do you know what makes the brand favorite among customers? That is the customer-centric business model. Postmates business model is very similar to that of Uber, but instead of taxis, Postmates helps users directly get goods from the local stores. Further, user can order from anywhere within the city. Once the order is placed, Postmates human courier network takes the lead. Personally, who are the closest to the store and where the item needs to be procured for instructed to pick up at same via notifications. The app's backend is GPS enabled. It uses an algorithm to match demand and supply in the shortest period time possible, and accordingly the delivery agent gets notified. Now coming to the app's segment-wise breakdown. There are 3 segments, and the first is customer. Customers are the people who are willing to spend a little more amount as expected from an article for availing of the convenience of getting it delivered at their doorstep. The second segment is merchant. Postmates ties up with local merchants. This is a way it offers them a platform to make their good available to wider audience. In return, the merchant pays percentage of the total billed amount to the Postmates team. The third and the final is the delivery person. They deliver the goods ordered by various customers. As far as their earning is concerned, Postmates deliverers get 80% of their delivery fees and the remaining 20% is kept by the company. On average, a Postmates delivery partner earns $25 per hour. This concludes the business model of Postmates. Now coming on, how does Postmates earn money and makes revenue? One revenue stream is the merchant program that I mentioned few back. An agreement is signed wherein the merchant pays 15 to 30% of pre-tax amount of the total product sold to Postmates team for their delivery services. The second way is in which Postmates earn money is through delivery fees. Postmates charges from $0.99 to $3.99 delivery fees from its customers for the doorstep delivery of things they have ordered. The third mode of revenue is service fee. Postmates also charges a percentage base service fee, usually between 9 to 19.99%. This is charged to the users if and when the delivery person carry out additional tasks during the delivery. Further, Postmates collects $1.99 as cart fee, and it is charged from the users when the order does not hit the minimum order value. Lastly, Postmates charges $9.99 per month as a premium subscription fees that allows customers to save money on their delivery. Now, these are some key factors that have made Postmates very successful, discussing their business model and their revenue plan. And continuous change and development with their technology and products have made Postmates one of the most successful business verticals. If you are inspired by the money-making process of Postmates and want to launch a similar app, do reach us out at Code Brew Labs. We have ready-to-use white label solution to kickstart your business in no time in your budget. With this, we come to the end of this video. We will be back with more videos related to the business world. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.